Hi guys! So makaan na guys. Breakfast. It's kind of brunch. So egg and pancake. Yeah. So I have to sit down. So
Hash browns.
I don't know what you call this. Biscuits and some kind of meat.
yeah.
Not sponsored by Papa Papa. What? Isn't that their line? Life could do. McDonaldo. Some Japanese say it that way.
I'm gonna eat. So someone is gonna have orientation tomorrow.
Yeah, I wonder who that is. Oh wait. Yeah, someone.
How do you feel about that?
Oh. It's a bit weird. Seriously, a bit weird.
Yeah. He's working the same company that me and my mom work with, and that he's working on
A different.
different department.
Yes. It would be weird if we were in the same department. All three of us. Also, I don't do well with clothes. Here goes the sugar and the diabetes. Oh yes. And my utensils.
So yes, he's working on OPU. Could you explain a little more about that?
OPU, this basically derives from online purchases, which means I help guests who order online.
Is that he was using, and someone gonna teach him how to do it. I think it will be the whole day processing, because basically you have to go to the
I have to do the packing and everything.
no, not the business. Is it the business? Oh yeah, the business. Sorry. Yes, the business.
Never been there.
What do you mean?
Like to be in the basement. Is it dark?
No.
Okay.
It's not that. Huh?
Does it look like it came from a horror movie?
No. It's for a business is really cold.
Oh. It's just that type of basement. Cold storage.
It is a storage, because there's a lot of food that shit there, blah blah blah. You know.
Looks like my gaming days are over. Hello, real world. Yum yum.
Kayo, you have them done.
What? I eat fast. My pancake's already like less than half.
Probably.
They always ask why I eat fast. I don't know. It's just the way I am.
I wish I eat fast.
The smaller your milk is, the smaller your intake.
Yeah. Mm. Mm. Mm.
One bad thing about McDonald's egg is they taste so bland.
Yeah, bland. No offense. But they're delicious.
I mean, that's why there's a ground pepper and salt stuff in here.
Yeah. Because not everyone likes,
Salty eggs and stuff.
yeah. Have you looked this? Have you tried egg with cheese?
That was very sour. Not a lot of lemon though. You didn't put a lot of lemon. It was the regular one. And we tried to eat it. It was like I was just having lemons in my mouth. It was too sour. As you can see bloated right now. I'm trying to cover it.
It's wet.
How wet it is.
No. That's open.
What is too big?
Water.
What is water?
You see? It's a solid liquid.
Solid liquid? What kind of water have you been drinking? To have a solid liquid. Can you just imagine drinking solid liquid water? Wait, that's just water on ice. Ah, it makes sense. But then, what? Does it turn into ice when you drink it, or is it ice and then when you drink it, it turns into water? Look, she's so shy. She's not even in the video anymore.
Hey, I'm still here, don't you?
Yeah, you're still there. But why am I on the spotlight?
Because it's so...
It's because my abaga is so wide.
But look that you know that.
Like I almost occupy half of the screen. No, you don't.
Is that? Yeah. Is it maklok? Yeah. Yeah, maklok ako. Atok! Nawala na kanina. Ito wala ako. It's yours, not mine. It's yours, not mine.
I ate twice your size.
Yeah, that's...
Hotdos spaghetti ang hapak ko ba? This is what... Anything.
People always say what